Molex has expanded their time-tested FCT range with the Juwel Backshells for FCT D-Sub Connectors. With a cable outlet that is adjustable from straight to 45 degrees left or right, this solution offers convenient cable management and enables easy adjustments during installation. The Backshells have a screwless design with no loose parts, providing simplified installation without the risk of lost screws, while screw versions are available if required. Juwel Backshells for FCT D-Sub Connectors have a modern design with a sleek back panel that can be customized with logos or other elements, and provides flexible cable management for D-Sub connectors in commercial aerospace, defense, medical, industrial automation, and other applications. Juwel Backshells feature multiple hood cover colors over a zinc hood body that provides 360-degree EMI shielding. They accommodate cable diameters from 3 to 9.5 millimeters and can operate at up to 100 degrees Celsius.